Love sports, love science, join sports science. Hi, my name is Nurhafizah. I'm the head physiotherapist for the Singapore Football Men's National Team and the Lion City Sailors Football Club. So today I'm here to give my honest review on the PSB Academy Diploma in Sports and Exercise Sciences. My job starts early in the morning at 6:30, whereby I attend the club training. So it includes injury prevention such as taping as well as exercise prescription. And then I head off to the Football Association of Singapore, whereby I do rehabilitation for the injured national athletes. I think helping people is something that I love doing. So especially in the area of sports, whereby I want to return the athletes back to their playing level and seeing them running on the pitch, it's really a very good high satisfaction for me. The diploma has a holistic foundation for sports science students. So it has modules ranging from human anatomy, exercise prescription, nutrition, exercise psychology. One good thing about this diploma, it has good link with ACE, and ACE is something that is recognized in the sports science area. One of the modules, I think, is the principles of weight training, something that future personal trainers can look into. The Diploma in Sports and Exercise Sciences is very relevant and provides strong foundation for those who aspire to be coaches, strength and conditioning coaches, sports trainers as well as rehabilitation trainers. I'll give this Diploma in Sports and Exercise Sciences a 4 out of 5 stars because personally I've worked with a few people who have this diploma and they've actually have this necessary tools and skills that prepare them to work in this high performance setup. I would give 5 out of 5 stars if in the future there would be partnerships for them to be able to work in this high performance industry such as football.